Baby food made for newborn baby, a comprehensive guide. Introduction. Welcoming a newborn baby into the world is a joyous occasion, accompanied by a flurry of responsibilities for new parents. One crucial aspect of caring for a newborn is providing them with the right nutrition. In this video, we will explore the world of baby food made specifically for newborns, ensuring their healthy growth and development. With expert advice, valuable tips, and answers to frequently asked questions, this comprehensive guide aims to provide you with all the information you need to make informed decisions about feeding your precious little one. Baby food made for newborn baby, ensuring optimal nutrition. As a new parent, it is natural to have concerns about what type of food is best for your newborn. Ensuring optimal nutrition is crucial during the early stages of a baby's life. Let's delve into the various aspects of baby food made for newborns to understand how to provide them with the best start in their journey of growth and development. Why is baby food made for newborn baby important? Feeding your newborn the right food is vital for their growth, development, and overall well-being. Baby food made specifically for newborns is designed to meet their unique nutritional needs. It provides them with the essential nutrients required for healthy brain development, strong bones, and a robust immune system. What makes baby food made for newborn baby different? Baby food made for newborns differs from regular baby food in several ways. Firstly, it is formulated to be easily digestible for delicate infant stomachs. The texture is smoother and more pureed compared to food for older babies. Additionally, it contains higher levels of nutrients, such as iron and vitamins, to support rapid growth and development during the first few months of life. Tips for choosing the right baby food made for newborn baby. When selecting baby food for your newborn, there are a few essential factors to consider. 1. Consult your pediatrician. Always consult your pediatrician before introducing any new food to your newborn. They can guide you on the appropriate timing, recommended brands, and specific nutrients your baby needs. 2. Look for trusted brands. Choose baby food made for newborns from trusted brands that specialize in infant nutrition. These brands prioritize quality, safety, and optimal nutrient content in their products. 3. Read labels carefully. Thoroughly read the labels of baby food products. Ensure they contain no artificial additives, preservatives, or excessive sugar or salt. Natural and organic options are preferable. 4. Check for allergens. Babies can be sensitive to certain allergens, such as dairy, soy, or gluten. Be aware of any potential allergens in the baby food you choose and introduce them gradually while monitoring for any adverse reactions. 5. Opt for variety. Introduce a variety of flavors and textures to expand your baby's palate. This early exposure can help prevent picky eating habits later on. 6. Prepare fresh foods at home. If you prefer, you can prepare fresh baby food at home using organic ingredients. This allows you to have complete control over the ingredients and ensures maximum freshness. FAQ. Is baby food made for newborns necessary? Yes, baby food made for newborns is essential to meet their unique nutritional needs during the early stages of their life. It provides the right balance of nutrients for healthy growth and development. Can I give regular baby food to my newborn? Regular baby food may not be suitable for newborns due to its texture and nutrient content. Baby food made specifically for newborns is formulated to be easily digestible and provides the necessary nutrients for their rapid growth. How do I know if my newborn is ready for solid food? Pediatricians generally recommend introducing solid foods between 4 to 6 months of age. However, it is crucial to consult your pediatrician to determine if your individual baby is ready for this transition. Can I make baby food at home for my newborn? Yes, you can make baby food at home for your newborn. It allows you to have control over the ingredients and ensures maximum freshness. However, consult your pediatrician for guidance on appropriate recipes and food preparation techniques. What are some signs of allergies to baby food? Signs of allergies to baby food may include rashes, hives, vomiting, diarrhea, or difficulty breathing. If you notice any of these symptoms after introducing a new food, consult your pediatrician immediately. How can I ensure my newborn is getting all the necessary nutrients? By offering a variety of nutrient-rich foods and following your pediatrician's guidance, you can ensure your newborn receives all the necessary nutrients. Breast milk or formula should remain the primary source of nutrition during the early months. Conclusion: caring for a newborn involves making crucial decisions, especially when it comes to their nutrition. Choosing the right baby food made specifically for newborns ensures that your little one receives the optimal nutrients required for healthy growth and development. By following expert advice, considering individual needs, and consulting your pediatrician, you can provide your newborn with the best start in life. Remember, always prioritize your baby's well-being and seek professional guidance when in doubt. Check our comment box, tell us you have a boy or a girl.